Welcome back everyone, and on today's episode we are going to be around Green Turtle Cay the entire time. Like always, my boyfriend Jake is here, and like last week, our good friend Ricky's here. Today we are going to be feeding some stingrays and turtles. We are also going to be bone fishing, and we might even go offshore. The first stop on our mission is fly fishing, looking for a bonefish.
It's going away from us right there. On the right, like 3 o'clock, see it? They see it.
We caught a bonefish. Peeking out. We almost caught a bonefish.
Oh,
He's not super spooked. He's hanging out just kind of right there. He stopped.
There's 2 of them. There's a big one on the right.
We're striking out with the bonefish.
Sorry. Virus is what it's going.
This poor little turtle looks like he's sick. Oh gosh. Okay, there's a big school of bonefish up in this creek. We are trying to make our way to get another shot at it. There's also this turtle that keeps hanging around us, and he doesn't look too good. He looks like he's a little sickly. Do you want to switch flies? Okay, we're switching flies. Do you want me to hop in the water and you stand up here, Jake?
No, stay right here. He's right up to what I'm seeing. Oh, God.
He's looking. He's kind of sitting there though.
He's not paying attention.
Strip.
Walking right over the line. He's coming right at us.
Is that a bonefish or a cooper?
It's a bonefish.
Jesus, really?
That was such a big bonefish.
Morgan's tight.
Oh,
It's a cooper. Oh, put it in.
here. Can I throw another rod in?
Hold on, just get it moving.
Like the other mangrove like bit him off.
He may have pulled it out of his mouth.
And we've got tons of turtles all around us. There's a little guy straight towards us. That one's just a little guy. But these turtles can be quite annoying while we're bone fishing. So we did see plenty of bonefish and casted out a ton, but I don't think any of them were really eating, besides the one that I caught and he came off. But that's why they call it fishing for a reason. We can't be lucky every single time. If you actually want to see us catch the bonefish, the last video I posted, we were actually successful and we caught a few bonefish. But now we're going to switch gears. We're going to go into the Green Turtle Club for lunch, grab a bite to eat, and then we're going to go feed some stingrays. Our tummies are all filled from lunch. We are now going to head around the backside of Green Turtle Cay. We're going to go see some turtles and stingrays. We're pulling up to the Stingray / Turtle Beach right now. I'm kind of sad because, as you can tell from above me, the sun is not out. It's pretty overcast. I was gonna jump in the water, but it's kind of cold. So we might just be viewing from above surface today. But I already see some people here, so I know that there's something in the water. Oh, wow, he is so big. Look at him go.
It smells fishy.
Oh, look, he has a little guy with him. Look at this guy. We found some of the stingrays. Seeing the turtle and the stingrays were amazing. That is always a must stop when we come to Green Turtle. That's one of my favorite things to ever do. Now we're gonna switch gears once again and we're gonna head offshore of Green Turtle about a mile out, and we're gonna do some offshore fishing. Okay, we've made it out about a mile or two. You can still see Green Turtle right in the distance over there. And today we are targeting wahoo.
Everything that is in the ocean.
We've got, okay, on the long rod today we have the bird. It's a kind of lure that also targets mahi, tuna, wahoo. And on the two rods on the outside, we have the nomad plugs that are mainly for tunas and wahoo, I'd say. We are fishing. What do you think our odds are today, Richolas?
100%.
100% gonna get a fish. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and we're hooked up to something. Oh boy. Oh my Lanta. Would this be your first offshore fish, Ricky?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. The main focus for reeling is you don't want any slack in the line. Doing a good job. Going to reel up the line and hopefully Ricky can land this fish. Doing a good job. Getting yourself an arm workout.
Yes.
I'm gonna grab the gap. It's almost here. And then Ricky, when he comes, you're gonna try and like walk the tip of your rod over this rod. Okay, he's getting close. It doesn't have to be fast, but as long as you just keep tension. I think it's a tuna.
Walk up, and reel. I missed 3 times.
Yay, good job, Ricky! Richolas!
Oh.
Good job.
My
That's a
arms
nice
are-
blackfin tuna.
Sweet. Probably that
Yeah.
school or something, from that school.
Yeah. Good job. We've got some meat in the boat. Woohoo! We've got redemption from our bonefish today.
Where should
Let
we
them
put
bleed
him?
out
Yeah.
in the water. And then we'll make him a nice little burrito. Uh-oh, the bag is shaking. This is the cooler that we're playing with today. Our tuna inside, he ate the middle rod, which was that bird lure, and all 3 lines are back out, so hopefully we can get ourselves another fish. As you guys can clearly see, we came in from offshore. Conditions got a little bit sporty and we were super happy with the tuna that we got for dinner. But overall, we had a great day. As you can see from the whole video, there's so much to do on and around Green Turtle Cay, from catching bonefish to island exploring and eating, feeding stingrays and turtles, to going just a mile offshore and being able to secure yourself some fish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.